guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I did for Halloween. I know you're gonna be seeing this past Halloween, but right now while I'm filming, it is currently Halloween. It is 7/17, October 31st. So it's still Halloween for me, just it's not Halloween for you, but this is the look that I created. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I have literally an hour and 15 minutes to get my Halloween makeup complete. So we need to get started. So honestly, I think it's fitting to do your eyes first since we are gonna do a black smoky eye. So I'm gonna go in first. My brows are already done and already completed. Next, I'm gonna go in and conceal my eyelids and prep them for the shadows. And to do that, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. I am just gonna go in and work on one eye at a time, but I'm still gonna set both lids. And then I am going in with a small definer brush to blend out that concealer. I'm also carving my brows out as well, so it's like a 2-for-1. Screw that, we're gonna go in with our finger. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my James Charles palette. Before I start going over the shadows, I lost the little sheet with the names on them, so please excuse me, James Charles, if you are watching this, no shade to you, I lost it, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna start off with this starky white, sandy brown shadow, and then with a fluffy blending brush going in and setting those eyes. I did clean my brushes for once, so I'm hoping I can still create this look and it not be patchy whatsoever since the brushes are so clean. Honestly, I feel like brushes do a little bit better when they're dirty, especially like eyeshadow brushes, not foundation brushes. It's a different story, but with the eyeshadow brushes, I just feel like they adhere to these shadows better. So once I get that applied, I'm gonna go in with the shadow right below it, that light brown shadow, and my MAC 217 brush. I'm just going in with windshield wiper motions and really focusing that shadow in the crease. So once I get that applied, I'm gonna go in with my pencil liner and then apply this to my lids. I am wanting to eventually go in with a black shadow, and I feel like if you first go in with a black liner, it helps the black shadow pop and adhere to the lid. Now I'm going to go in and blend that liner out. To do that, I'm going to go in with that black shadow and a pencil brush and really focusing on blending that black liner out. Once I place that black shadow where I want it, I'm gonna go in with a different palette. I believe this is the Morphe 35T palette. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna be going in with that plum maroon shadow. And I'm just going to be going in and blending out that black shadow. I am also using my Morphe M506 brush. I'm trying to be really careful how I blend the shadow out, because if I blend it too far up, it's going to go into my crease and it's not going to be super pretty, but I want it to be blended out as well. Once I get that blended, I'm going to go back in with that 217 brush and blend out that maroon burgundy shadow. I'm just going back in and packing a little bit more black onto the lid. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter in number 12 and apply this to my lid. I don't know if you're able to see that, but it is a blackish, purplish glitter. I am just going in with a concealer brush and placing that on my lid. So I didn't go in with a glitter glue because I didn't want the glitter to be the staple. Honestly, I just wanted it to look like I applied a glitter eyeshadow. So I didn't want it to be super prominent. I still wanted the black to peep through. And honestly, I think we did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Was not expecting it to be this purple. This is not what I envisioned at all, but I do love it. It does look really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in and apply my mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Essence Lash Princess in Waterproof. I'm just going in and curling my lashes, well, to prepare for mascara and also to prepare them for my lashes. And then I'm gonna go in and apply my mascara. Next, I'm gonna go in with lashes. I'm still trying to pick which lashes I want to go in with. I'm either gonna go in with the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes. This is what they look like. They're beautiful and they flare out at the end. Okay, so now that the lashes are complete and done, we're gonna go in and start our face makeup. So to start off, I'm gonna go in with my Milani Prime Shell Primer. This is a silicone primer and I actually really do like this stuff. This stuff is amazing, to be honest with you. This This stuff is amazing, and I'm just gonna apply that on my cheeks, forehead, my chin, and then on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm gonna go in and blend that out. So I have not self-tanned, so I'm super pale. So I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Soft Beige. It is Halloween, and for Halloween, I am being a vampire. Vampires are typically pretty pale, so I am waiting to self-tan tomorrow because you have never seen a tanned blonde hair vampire before. If you have, let me know because I totally could have self-tanned last night. But I am going in with my lightest foundation and applying that all over my face, and then I'm blending it out with a kabuki brush. I'm also going ahead and dragging that foundation down to my neck. That way it blends together. Before I go in with concealer, I'm going to go ahead and cream contour my face. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Stick Foundation in the shade Toffee. I'm just going in with a stippling brush to apply the foundation, or what I'm using for a bronzer. I'm not really going in fully to the, I'm mainly contouring the outer part of my face. That way it's not super harsh. I'm also going to go ahead and get my chin. Then I'm going to apply it to my forehead as well. Now I'm going in with that same concealer that we used to set our eyelids with and applying that underneath my eyes. And I am just using a foundation brush to blend that out with. I'm taking whatever is left and applying it to my nose, and I'm applying some above my cupid's bow and right above my brows as well. Now I'm just going in and setting my face with some setting powder. I am using the Coty Air Spun and Translucent. Once I get done setting my face, I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting spray and set all of that. That way it can melt all together. Now I'm going to take a break from the face and finish off the eyes. I'll first go in with my liner and apply the liner to my waterline. I'm also going to go ahead and bring that liner down to my lower lid. That way we can go and blend it out and really smoke it out. So with my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to go in with that maroon shadow and blend out that black liner. And then I'm going to go in with the same shadow that we used for the crease to blend out the lower lash line just a little bit more. Once we apply our contour, I'm going to go in and highlight my face. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Jueves Place highlighter in Tribe 3. I'm just focusing that highlighter on my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my chin. I'm not going to do my nose yet because I still have to contour my nose, and then the temples of my forehead. And then for blush, I'm going to be going in with the Essence Befitting blush and then applying it with my brand spanking new M405 brush, and I am just stippling that onto the apples of my cheeks. Before we go in and contour our nose, I'm going to go ahead and clean up my bronzer and go ahead and sharpen it up just a little bit. So I'm going to go in and bake real quick. I'm just going in and contouring my nose with a flat contour brush. Now I'm just going in and blending out where we baked. Now to finish off the lips, and then we're done. I'm going to be going in again with my liner to line my lips. Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a voiceover here. So I am lining my lips. I'm just using a black charcoal liner. I believe this is by Maybelline. Then I went in with a red lipstick, and then I realized it was way too bright, so I didn't wipe it off. I just went in with a burgundy lip liner to blend it out. And then to top it all off, I'm going in with the Best Lipstick by NYX. Now that we have the lips done, that completes this look. It's super vampy. It's perfect for Halloween. We are our most vampy self. I'm honestly in love with how the smoky eye turned out. To be honest with you, I didn't really know how it would go, especially adding the glitter. I bought the glitter glue just in case the glitter didn't stick to the eye, but honestly it did pretty well without glitter glue, so I'm really impressed with that. I feel like the lips really complete this makeup look. Even though I'm going for a vampy vibe, I feel like I'm giving off Chucky's bride's vibes. I don't know her name. Whatever his bride's name is, I definitely am giving off that vibe. But yeah, that completes this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on that notification bell, that way you get notified every time I upload a video. And if there's a specific type of video, stop. And if there's a certain type of video that you would like to see next, leave a comment down below and let me know. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys. Okay. Oh, I got these. Ooh, I got a new blush. Got a new blush brush. Put headphones in if you're gonna watch TV or watching things. I get really awkward.